Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to open up the RadioBOSS help guide. So like every other program, RadioBOSS includes a help guide that helps you get started with RadioBOSS, what each option does, how to reach it, and how to work it. So to get to that manual or get to that help guide, we're just going to click on help right above the tool guide. We're going to click on contents. We can also in our keyboard click on Control F1 and it'll open up the same help system here. We can also print it and options, hide tabs, home, stop, refresh, and internet options. So a very helpful guide because you can print it out and you can have it on you in case you don't really use that computer too much, you're not accustomed to the keyboard and stuff like that. You can just go ahead and print it and have an on-hand copy, which most of the time people like to use. So once we have this here, it pretty much brings up an introduction about RadioBOSS, what it is, how to work it, and then quick start, setting up PFL. So the pre-listing is available in the playlist section. We click on operation. We have the cart wall, which in another video we talked about the sound effects, how to add that, how to work it. It pretty much tells you exactly what we did here, how to activate it, the columns, the roles, stuff like that. Then we have the crossfading when you're pretty much working with the microphone and music, what each option does and how to activate it. Then we have the voiceovers, the teasers, the report generator, and if we click on additional features, the playback, and the technical just talks a little bit more about the tech, the options, pretty much the playback, the broadcast, the encoder settings that we also did in our video, things like that. So this is basically a full-on guide of RadioBOSS, how to work it, how to activate it, all the different tools it has. It pretty much sums up here in a help guide that we can have on our computer by pressing Control F1 or by printing it out. So this was basically a video on how to get to it. We're just going to click on X, and then I'm going to here click on my keyboard, Control F1, and just like that, the help system opens up. If you have any questions on how to get to this part, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and we're happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.